the past, but now they dash better. See, look at the now. It's going to be easy only. You have to put past here, present here. But before putting it, you have to check with the they. What is going to be before they? Two rules. You have to apply those two rules.
How was they after the accident?
Can you repeat? What is the English word here? What is the word?
How was they after?
Can you repeat? How?
Was they?
Oh, check your table. Check your table. They was.
Hey.
Vamsi.
How were they after the
How were they after the accident? Write it down. How were they?
How
Now, number
after
two.
the accident?
Uh-huh. Here. They were shocked. They were shocked. But now, can you get me this? Where?
They are shocked.
Where? They are. Super.
They are shocked.
Write it. Number 11, write it. How were they after the accident? They were shocked. But now they are better. Write it down. Please write it down. Write down the whole thing. 7:30, I need the picture of this. I need the picture of whatever you have written. How were they after they were shocked, but now they are better. Vamsi, do you get it? They are better. They are. Look at this. The answer is this one. D as in dog. They were. They are. Super. So are you able to understand, Vinay? Are you able to get it very clearly now? Are you able to get this? Small, simple conversations. Was, where, is, was, am, be, do, did, done. Only these kind of things you have to focus on. So easy, 12. You have to be careful. Okay, 1 second. Let's wait for a few seconds here. 1 second. Very easy, very easy. Look at the before. Look at the now here. You can easily get it. Teacups, plural. Can you do it, Vamsi? How much does the teacups before? Think through. Take your time. A is asking how much the teacups before. B is telling they dash 10 euros each. They dash 8 euros now. Very important.
How much were the teacups before?
Can you repeat?
How much were the teacups before?
Super. How much were the teacups before?
They are 10.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat, Vamsi? They dash. Second dash.
They are 10 euros.
Oh, they were 10 euros each. They are 8 euros now. Why did you miss Vamsi? They were 10 euros each. They are 8 euros now. Do you get it? Do you get it? Now. What is the Telugu word for now?
ఇప్పుడు
Ippudu. In Tamil it is Ippa. Ippa. In Telugu it is Ippudu. So when it comes
Ippudu.
here, that now Ippudu, it has to be present. 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 So are where? Write it down. How much were the teacups before? They were 10 euros. Each, they are 8 euros now. Write it down. Write down those two sentences. Vinay, did you get it? Vinay, did you get it?
Sir.
Yes, right, right. Ippudu. So then, now is Ippudu. What is the word for then? Appudu?
అప్పుడు
Appudu. So Ippudu, Appudu. In Tamil it is
Appudu.
Ippa, Appa. Ippa, Appa. Ippudu, Appudu. Okay, that's I can easily remember this. Good. Write it. The next one you have to understand very clearly. 13. This is how you will speak in English. One person is speaking, you are answering.
Where was they born?
Careful. Where?
Where was?
No, right? Day is coming, right? Day is coming. When day is coming, you cannot have a was, right? We know that. Where were they born? Write it. Where were they born? Because day is plural, right? Look at this. Look at this, Vinay. Look
Where
at
is
that.
that?
Yeah, we have done this before, Vinay.
Sir.
Look at that there. Where only will come. Look at this. Where only will come. We did it again. Look at that. They where only will come. So you can't have a was. That's why this is so important. Where were they born? Yes. Where were they born? They
They were born in ni- ni-
no,
1995.
they are asking where, Vinay. They are asking where.
Where?
Where? Not when. They are not asking when. This is when.
They were born in Denmark.
Denmark. Yeah. Where were they born? They were born in Denmark. Write it down. Write it down. 13C. Where? Very important, Vinay. Everything, you can't make a mistake.
I can play chess.
Very careful.
When I was 5.
Oh, then the first dash is wrong. When I was 5 is correct. See, was 5. When I was 5 years old, I dash play. It's not can.
I could play
I
chess
could play chess
when I was 5.
I could play. B as in boy. B is the answer. Write it. I could play chess when I was 5. Write it, please write it. I could play chess when I was 5. Do you understand, Vamsi? This is when I was 5 years old, I could play.
That's all.
It is a past tense. So I could play chess when I was 5. You have to be careful with everything. The table I told you, you have to remember.
Where could you do?
You have to be careful here. Dash could you do when you dash 7?
What could you do?
What could you do when you dash 7? Past.
When you are
Careful, Vinay. Careful. So past tense after you, what will come?
when you were 7.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat, Vinay?
When you were 7.
When you were 7. Write it down. What could you do when you were
When you were 7.
What could you do when you were 7? Write it down. What could you do when you were 7? Write it. What could you do when you were 7? We can do few more. We have 14 minutes to go. We can do few more very easily. What could you do when you were 7? Number 15. Number 16.
A dash languages dash Nicholas speak when he dash a child.
A child.
2 languages.
Be 2 languages. Okay.
How many languages
Very good. How many languages?
could Nicholas speak
Nicholas speak.
when
How
he
many
was a
languages
child?
could Nicholas speak when he was a child? Very good. Write it. How many languages could Nicholas speak when he was a child? How many? Any, right? Any, Vinay. How many? Any.
Yes, sir.
Then speak. What is the word for speak?
Speak. Matladu.
Can you repeat, Vinay?
Speak.
What is the
Matladu. Matladu. Speak.
Matladu, matladu. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Are you done with the 60?
Yes, sir.
Easy, easy. Number 17. Now you can easily learn from here. You can yourself read it and come out with the answer 17.
Which languages could you?
Oh,
What languages could they speak when
No,
they
sir.
were
yeah. What is the answer? A, B, or C, or D?
B?
Yeah, B. B, boy is the correct answer. What languages could they speak when they were teenagers? Wow, very nice. Next one. My little sister. Careful.
My little sister can paint alone.
Dash.
That she would but she could now.
Careful. Now. So she can now. She can now. So you can easily fix this dash. Can. The third word has to be can. Now you tell me between A and C. Between A and C, what is the answer?
My little sister could not paint pictures alone when she was 9, but she can now.
Beautiful. C is the answer. Write it down. Write it down. Fix the easy one. From there, you can go with it. My little sister couldn't paint pictures alone when she was 9, but she can now. Number 19.
Him dash 5 4 years ago.
Uh-huh.
But he has style very well now.
Super. Easy. A or B or C or D.
Him could not study 4 years ago, but he can study very well now.
A or B or C or D.
D.
Yeah, D as in dog. Very good. Kim couldn't ski 4 years ago, but he can ski very well now. Write it down to 19.
Dash Ben and Johnny married 10 years ago.
Dash Ben and John married 10 years ago. Can you repeat? The answer has to be Ben and John married 10 years ago. Dash Ben and John married 10 years ago. The answer has to be
Where
where Ben and John, two persons where Ben and John. B, boy is the answer. Super. We can do a couple of more here. Marriage. Vinay, marriage, what is the Telugu word?
Pelli.
One more time.
Pelli.
Can you spell it for me? Spell it for me. Spell.
P E double L.
Is this okay? Yeah, Pelli. In Tamil, Kalyanam. Wow, totally different words. Pelli, Kalyanam. Thirumanam. Another word is Thirumanam. Kalyanam, Thirumanam. Pelli. Only one word is there. Marriage. Only one word. Pelli. Very good. All right. But this one is a little bit tough. Try this. First read it out, then go with it. Very, very important. Look at the was here. Look at the was here. Look at the but here. You have to use all these words. Look at the because here. Look at the because here. Because, was, but. Everything, read it, understand it completely.
Tim could run very well,
Can you read?
but I could not run like him because I was bad at running.
A or B or C or D?
Yeah.
Super, super. Write it down. Tim could run very well, but I couldn't run like him because I was bad at running. Very nice. Everything happens in the past. Yeah. We can easily do one more. Careful. Look at the bat.
I
Bat.
play football well, but I dash play ice hockey very well.
Now tell me the answer.
I cannot play football well, but I can play.
Superb. Answer is A. Write it down. I can't play football well. Quickly write it down. We'll cover one more. I can't play football well, but I can play. I can play ice hockey very well. A. A is the answer. Superb. So you are able to grasp it now, right? Can, could, may. Look at all these words. Was, where, all these words. Look at all these words. So important. I can't play football well, but I can play ice hockey very well. So we can do just one more. 23 will be the last one. We can remember tomorrow when we come, we can continue from here. This is so important, very important worksheet. The last one is coming up.
Last year they dashed in Europe
Uh-huh.
and visited Germany.
Uh,
Dash they traveled only in Berlin. Berlin.
Only. Last year. Easy. They first get this one squared away.
Last year they
Last
in
year,
Europe.
They were in Europe. Last year they were in and visited Germany.
Germany.
Only
But they traveled Berlin.
Germany, but they only traveled. They traveled only in Berlin because Europe is such a big place. Germany is a big country, but Berlin only one city they traveled. Look at that. But they were last year they were in Europe. Write it down. 23. Write it down. Please send me the picture of what you wrote today. So we
Okay.
don't miss tomorrow class. Very important. We'll work on it.
Okay.
Last year they were in Europe and visited Germany, but they only traveled in Berlin. That's all. I'll see you at exactly at 6 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Please write at 23. Did you write it down? 23.
Sir, completed.
Very good. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Send me the picture. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Yes.